In this video, I will show you and explain how to actually use a trailing stop loss on uh, Binance, the Binance mobile app. So if you appreciate me making this video, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. By the way, if you're new to Binance, you can subscribe using my affiliate link. You can sign up using my affiliate link in the description down below. So what you want to do is just open up the Binance app, and you do have a trailing stop loss. Normally you would have a limit order or a market order, and if you submitted a buy order, what you want to do is click on sell to submit a sell order and then click on trailing stop. And here you have some option, and basically a trailing stop order allows traders to place a preset order at a specific percentage away from the market price when the market swings. It basically helps traders to limit the loss and to protect the gain. So basically you have a trailing stop loss when you're actually up from the position you took, and you want to maximize your profits if you would have a 10-20% increase, but also minimize the downside. So you can have a callback ratio or CB ratio here, and they have a preset of 1 or 2%. You can make it into a half, maybe 0.2%, and you can either use a mark or less price, and you might have a few more questions around trailing stop losses. And if you click on the eye icon right here, it's a little bit harder on a phone, but they give you a lot of information here, especially about the callback ratio and activation price. For example, the callback ratio, it says that the callback rate is a condition for a trailing stop order that is satisfied when the trigger price is compared with the highest lowest mark price. Mark price is greater than or equal to the callback ratio. For example, if a stock goes up by 2%, goes down to 1%, you have a 1% callback ratio, your stop loss will be triggered. So if this video helped you out, you can give me a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot. I'm trying to do a lot of these videos every single day, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.